Hello everyone, welcome back to Mom Health Nexus. Before we jump in, please hit that subscribe button to join our supportive mom family. Have you ever looked at a freshly expressed bottle of milk and panicked about how long it stays safe? If you are worried about spoiling that liquid gold, trust me, every new mom feels that exact same stress. Today, let us break down the CDC guidelines for storing and thawing breast milk safely and simply. Storing your milk correctly protects essential nutrients and keeps your sweet baby healthy and happy. First, always wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water before handling any storage containers. Use clean, food-grade glass bottles or thick BPA-free milk storage bags designed specifically for freezing. Freshly expressed milk can safely sit at room temperature for up to 4 hours under normal conditions. If you plan to use it later, place it in the back of the refrigerator immediately. In the main body of the fridge, your milk stays fresh and safe for up to 4 full days. Never store your milk on the refrigerator door shelf, where temperature changes happen every time it opens. For longer storage, freeze your milk near the back of the freezer for up to 6 months safely. Always leave about an inch of empty space at the top of the bag because milk expands when freezing. Now, when it comes to thawing, slow and gentle heat is always the safest way to go. The absolute best method is placing the frozen milk bag in the refrigerator overnight to thaw slowly. Need to warm it up faster for a hungry baby? Hold the sealed bag under cool, then lukewarm running tap water for a few quiet minutes. Never, ever use a microwave to thaw or warm up your precious breast milk. Microwaves create dangerous hot spots that can burn your baby and destroy delicate nutrients. Once your milk is completely thawed, use it within 24 hours for optimal safety and quality. Never refreeze breast milk once it is thawed, as this can introduce unwanted bacteria to your baby. Storing milk gets so much easier once you build a steady daily habit, mama. What is your biggest challenge or secret trick when it comes to organizing your milk stash? Drop your thoughts in the comments down below. Leave a like if this helped, and subscribe for more tips. Take wonderful care of yourself, and I will see you in the very next video.